In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use smart narratives with AI in Power BI. Open your Power BI application on your desktop and head into one of your reports so we can work with real visuals. Smart narratives use built-in AI to explain what's happening in your data, and they update automatically as your filters and slices change. Let's start by summarizing the entire page. Click on any blank space on your report canvas to make sure nothing is selected. In the Visualizations pane, look for the Smart Narrative icon. It resembles a text box with a small list inside. Click it, and Power BI will scan every chart on the page and drop a text box onto your canvas. Inside, you'll see a set of bullet-style insights that call out key trends, variances, and drivers. This is great for giving viewers a quick, data-backed overview without having to read every chart. You can resize the narrative box or edit the wording directly if you want to adjust tone or clarify a point, and it will still stay linked to your data. Now, if you only want to explain one specific visual, especially something dense like a scatter plot or a busy line chart, right-click that chart. Choose Summarize from the context menu. Power BI will create a compact smart narrative box pinned next to that visual. This targeted summary focuses on just that chart's data, which can help spotlight outliers, trends, or categories without distracting from the rest of the page. You can drag it to position it neatly so your layout stays readable. For more control, you can create custom dynamic text. Click inside a smart narrative text box where you want a specific number or metric to appear. In the text formatting toolbar that appears, click the plus value button. In the box labeled Ask a question of your data, type your request in plain English like sum of sales, and Power BI will compute it instantly. Give this value a clear name, for example, total sales value, and click Save. You can now weave that dynamic value into a sentence, combining your own wording with live data. This is perfect for building clear statements like total sales this quarter are, that always stay up to date. That's it. Summarize the full page, summarize a single visual, or craft custom dynamic text. Try each method to see which best matches your audience and reporting style. Thanks for watching.